What can you tell us about your experience with the balance method?
Okay, yeah, it's my first time here, and I see the results very quickly. For instance, cold cases or Shen disorders, like depression, yes. And we treated three people here with different kind of problems and diseases, and within 1 minute or 2 minutes, the energy shifted, and you can see how they improved much effectively, yes, without any like herbs or other stimulation, just those magical points. Yeah, global balance and everything we experienced until now. It's very, yeah, it's not easy. You have to do it a lot, but if you can do it, you can apply it everywhere. So it's a very magical experience. Yes, I would recommend the course.
Thank
Yeah.
you very much.